In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on chess.com. Changing the language on chess.com is a simple way to make the platform more comfortable and easier to use. Whether you prefer to navigate the website in your native language, are learning a new language, or simply want to customize your experience chess.com provides a language setting that allows you to switch the interface to one of the many supported languages available on the platform. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of finding the language settings and selecting the language you want to use. The entire process only takes a few moments, and once completed, you'll be able to browse and play on chess.com using your preferred language. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to chess.com. Once the website loads, sign in to your chess.com account. Logging in is important because language preferences are managed through your account settings, allowing your chosen language to be applied throughout your experience on the platform. After successfully signing in, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the page. In this area, you'll find a gear-shaped icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on the gear icon to open the available settings options. Once the settings menu appears, look for the option labeled All Settings and select it. This will take you to the main settings area where you can manage various aspects of your account, profile, and overall chess.com experience. Inside the settings page, locate the profile section and click on it. The profile area contains several personal preferences and account customization options. After opening the profile section, scroll down through the available settings until you find the language option. Take your time while scrolling, as there may be several settings displayed on the page. When you locate the language section, you'll see a drop-down menu that contains the available language choices. Click on the drop-down menu to display the list of supported languages. Browse through the available options and select the language you would like to use. As soon as you make your selection, chess.com will apply the chosen language to the website interface, making menus, buttons, and other navigation elements easier to understand in your preferred language. If you ever decide to switch languages again in the future, you can simply return to the same section and choose a different option from the drop-down menu. This flexibility makes it easy to customize the platform whenever your preferences change. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly change the language on chess.com and personalize your experience on the platform. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,